What we've got today is a 1989 Oldsmobile 98. The Olds 98. This is a steering wheel off of it, and this customer actually, I don't know if he lives in the area. No, he doesn't, but he happened to be passing through the area. So he stopped in with his steering wheel, brought it to us, and you're welcome to do that. Our shop is just outside of Dallas, Texas, and you're welcome to come by, take a tour of the shop, visit with us, or as most people do, just mail your steering wheel into us, ship it to us through UPS or FedEx or US Postal Service, and we'll get it. As soon as we get your steering wheel, we'll give you a call and go over all the details of what you want. But this customer came in, brought his Oldsmobile steering wheel, and he said, I want a wood and leather steering wheel with wood on the top and bottom. And we said, well, what color wood do you want? He goes, I don't even care. Looked up on the wall and said, I want it to match that steering wheel up on the wall. And so this is the steering wheel that he wanted it to match to. So as you can see, we got a great match on the wood grain there. And so we put the new wood grain on the top and bottom, new leather on the sides with that hand stitched baseball stitching on there. We do all kinds of different stitches, but that's the most common stitch. And this is going to just really upgrade his Oldsmobile tremendously and gonna make it a one of a kind, actually. So whatever you wanna do to your interior, remember, it all starts with the steering wheel. It's the most viewed and most touched part of any vehicle. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, like and subscribe to our channels, and share this video with others so people know that we're here and that we work on every different steering wheel in the world. So you're gonna love what you get. We guarantee it at Craft Customs.